In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save files to multiple folders in Google Drive. This can be a real time saver, particularly if you need to organize your files across different projects without duplicating the content. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to better manage your files, making your workflow more efficient and organized. First things first, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the file that you want to save in multiple folders. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, or any file that you have stored. Simply click to highlight the file, but be sure not to open it just yet, as this process works from the main file view. Now that you've selected your file, it's time to use one of Google's helpful keyboard shortcuts. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While holding it, also press Z. This combination might seem a bit peculiar, but it's the magic shortcut for adding a file to multiple folders. After pressing Shift plus Z, a small pop-up window should appear on your screen. This window will prompt you to move your file. However, we aren't moving it in the traditional sense of the word. Instead, we're leveraging Google's capability to link one file across multiple destinations. Here's where you'll choose the second folder, or even additional folders, where you want this file accessible. Navigate through your Drive's folder structure in the pop-up window and click on the folder where you want to save your file. If you're looking to add to multiple folders, simply repeat this process with different folders until you've got your setup just right. Saving files this way helps maintain a clear and organized file system without creating unnecessary duplicates. The beauty of linking a file to multiple folders is that you'll always be working on the original file, no matter which folder you access it from. This ensures that all updates and changes remain uniform across all the folder links. Remember, if at any point you decide to remove the file from a folder, you just need to navigate to the folder, right-click on the file, and choose Remove. This action only removes the file link from that specific folder, not from Google Drive altogether, unless you manually delete it from every linked place. And there you have it. A seamless way to organize your files across multiple folders in Google Drive without creating duplicate files. With this technique, you can keep your projects neatly structured and ensure that you're always working with the most up-to-date version of your documents. It's a small trick that can greatly enhance your productivity and file management. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!